How to hide your Facebook profile from search engines. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel and today we are back again with a new video. So without any delay, let's get into it. For that, firstly open Facebook application. Click on your profile icon at the top right corner. Scroll all the way down and go to settings and privacy. Then after again go to settings from the menu. In the settings, you will see the option of privacy control. Simply click on it. After that, in the privacy checkup, you can simply go to how people can find you on Facebook. Once you click on it, you will see 3 steps here. In those 3 steps, you will be able to hide your Facebook profile from search engine. Click on continue, then click on next, and also in the 3rd step, click on next. Here in search engine section, make sure do you want search engines outside Facebook to link to your profile. Toggle this feature off and go to next. And then you're good to go. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for such tutorial. Thank you for watching till the end.